Let's see. Yeah.
Easy, yeah.
Yeah, not what the railgun's problem is. It's down there, yeah. Just don't move. Do not move.
Done?
Yeah. Simple as that. Very loud in here. Okay. Now we'll pretend we did this the whole time. We didn't even have to use the strong bar. Oh my god, it comes off a dream. Look at that.
It's almost like you pre-loosened them.
You wouldn't believe it.
You ready to do an intro yet?
I'm not exactly dressed very appropriately for an intro.
Do you want to go and put your dress on?
I've been slinging it up too much lately.
Smelling it up.
Look at this belly. That can't be on camera. Okay, you gotta Photoshop that off.
So, what are we actually doing today?
Oh, I don't know. I need to pull the fuel tank off because someone wants to come and buy it.
The fuel tank.
Yeah. So maybe the first thing we'll do is the tank. And then we might as well start. I reckon we just work on the back of the car. Like this is all going to come off. So we might as well start and just do this part. So I'm gonna film a TikTok with the Ford kicker. It's just gonna be fucking spinning around, power sliding towards you. You're gonna be in front of it, walking backwards. It's gonna be slow moving towards you, and then you're gonna keep walking back. The car's gonna slide. I'm gonna release the brake and just fucking spin around. Probably knock you over, but it's all for the show. It's all for show. That'd be quite. I reckon that'd be quite cool, like that. Like I'm not wearing a dress. The folks at home are seeing straight up there. It's just got one strap on holding it now. Oh, he hulks out because he's a fucking man on a mission. He's about to have a strap land on.
Finally out of the car. And look,
Easy.
Very impressed with yourself.
Looks like there's been a massacre underneath. But
Yeah. A couple of bodies under there.